Welcome, in front of me is a KIANO 6.1 Pro, and today I will show you how to format the SD card. So starting off, let's open the settings by pulling down notification panel and tapping on the gear icon right here. From settings, we're going to go into storage, so right over here. Tap on your SD card at the bottom and choose the three dots to expand the panel and go to storage settings, where you will find a format option. Tap on that. It will give you a message that performing this will remove all the data from the card. So if there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it or you don't want to do it, you can tap on format SD card. The process will begin, and it's a fairly quick one, and once it's finished, you can tap on done, and you're done. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.